broadcast where I get the opportunity to celebrate you as the fierce, intentional, resilient, and empowered woman that you are. Let's talk about your dream. You know, the one that's supposed to scare you. If it's not big enough where it scares you, it's not a dream. It's just something that you imagined, okay? Your dream has got to scare you. If it scares you, it's because God wants you to be doing something that's so huge that God gets to show off as you. If you don't have enough confidence that your dream is going to happen because it's so big, it's so scary, and you don't know what to do or how to do it, then that's when you got something that God is ready for you to work with. God puts you in a position where you're so far out of your comfort zone in your dream because God wants to show off with you. And how can God show off with you if you're too scared to even allow yourself to dream a scary, big, huge dream? Allow yourself to go with the flow. And because it seems like it's so big that it's not achievable, that's the dream. It's supposed to be so big that it seems like it's not achievable. There's people that are doing really small things like crocheting baby booties that are making millions of dollars because they decided to step out on the big scary dream to expose their product to more people. You've got to be able to do that. You've got to be able to understand that your dream is supposed to scare you. So if the dream is scaring you right now, good, you're in the right place. You're supposed to be uncomfortable with the dream because the universe wants you to depend on it in order for the dream to come into manifestation. I share with countless women how they can take their big, scary dream and make it into bite-sized morsels. And I like to share some of those tidbits with you too. If you just go over to the Dare to Be Fierce Feminine Masterclass, which is my private Facebook group, because I want to see you move on your dream. Just go to daretobefierce.com. That's daretobefierce.com, and I look forward to seeing you over there. Until next week for the next episode of Fierce Feminine Fridays, have an amazing weekend and love and fight.